Now let's focus on foam rolling your quads. Those are the big muscles in front of your thighs. Again, I'm offering a few modifications, so always start from the easiest one, and once it feels good, then progress to a more advanced. So we're gonna start with the foam roller directly under the thighs. You end up almost in a plank position and start rolling back and forth. Please do not go onto the knee. All right, so now if you found a triggered spot, you can stay there a little bit longer, 30 seconds or even more. If it feels easy, move one foot away out of the roller and start rolling again. You can change the angles, you can go slightly to the side, you can go slightly to the front. And at the end, you can kick up and extend the leg. Kick up and extend the leg. And that is pretty advanced version. So don't jump into it right away. Make sure you rolled your way to it. Don't forget, we still have to do both sides.